Hey everybody, welcome back to Born Bearded. I'm Dave. Today we're going to be talking about the unsung heroes of beard care. It's the tools, those extras, not oils, not butters, but they absolutely elevate your beard routine. But before we start, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up. If you wouldn't mind, hit that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. So let's get through the intro and we're going to get right into it. First up is going to be the Chicago combs, specifically number 1, 6, and 8. The Chicago comb number 1 is the one that I pretty much carry all day long. I have this at work. I have it pretty much throughout the day. The number 6 nearly lives in the shower. I use this one to help exfoliate the skin when I'm shampooing, and it also helps spread out that conditioner. The number 8 is that wide tooth workhorse for when your beard just needs a little extra room. What really sets the Chicago combs apart is the quality. These are made of carbon fiber. They are polished. They're not stamped like some of the cheaper combs you might find out there. And the stamped combs have those jagged edges in there that can really damage your beard over time. These are anti-static, insanely durable carbon fiber tools. They're simply the most reliable combs in my entire lineup. Next up is going to be the heated brush. Finding a good quality heated brush was a game changer for this gray beard when I found it early on in my bearded journey. Without this, I was not able to tame this gray beard to get it to set where I wanted it set. I own both the Beard Octane cordless and the Averlight cordless, and they both work very well. It's simply the ease of use out of these beard straighteners that I absolutely love. Once your beard is wet after getting out of the shower in the morning, you towel dry it, and you add some oil, wait 3 to 5 minutes, and then start straightening out your beard. This really helps tame those wiry beards and especially help me get through some of those awkward phases by trying to get out some of those dips and those waves that were really caused my beard to go whatever direction it wanted to. Used properly, a heated brush becomes one of the quickest, most effective tools in the whole routine. So if you're not using heat on your beard and it's really wild and you can't seem to get a hold of it, try a heated brush. It may actually work out for you. Up next, another essential is going to be the salve from Bane Blends. This salve is incredible for dry skin, irritation, cuts, scrapes. It can even help control breakouts. It promotes healing. It calms the angry spots and is perfect for keeping the skin healthy and soothed. I use this salve on my hands and my knuckles. I use it on my elbows. I use it on my tattoos. I pretty much use it anywhere that needs a little extra care. And because of the healing properties in the salve, I've also heard people using this for their acne and to actually recover from their acne. It's one of those products you end up grabbing for more than you expect simply because it works. Up next is going to be True North Beard Co.'s Wicked Strip-A. This is my reset wash. When you use product every day and your beard just feels heavy, this is what I use to really strip all that out to get your beard back to zero so your normal routine can do its job. I use this once a week or sometimes every other week depending on what I have going on. It's a plant-based formula that's strong enough to reset the beard but not wreck your beard. Now I know there's some people out there that don't strip their beard, but if you do, let's give this one a shot. And if you've seen my top 5 beard oils of 2025, which I'll post right here, then the scent of this one is not going to surprise you because the next one is Beard Octane's body wash in the Grizzly Puncher scent. This body wash bar is great for traveling. It has a clean rinse, no residue, and it has a scent that's going to hit every time. Using this is one of my favorite ways to start or end my day. It wakes you up and leaves you feeling fresh. So those are my top 5 essential products that I typically use throughout the week. I use these consistently. These are not in any particular order, but they do help keep my routine dialed in. And here we are at the end of the video. I appreciate you guys being here. Do me a favor, if you forgot to hit that thumbs up and subscribe, share this out to your bearded friends. And if you'd like to support the channel, remember we do have a website, www.bornbearded.com, where you can find tumblers, you can find the Break the Stigma t-shirts, and we have a couple holiday shirts in there now too, which all will go to help support the channel. And remember, it's not just a beard, it's a voice. Let's break the stigma of talking about mental health. I'm Dave, and I was Born Bearded. Love you guys.